Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Luke. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it. Now, listen. Driver CPC, right? It's a naughty word. No one likes to hear it. A lot of people think it's pointless. What's the point in doing it? But fact is, you have to. It's a legal requirement. If you're a HGV driver or PCV driver, you need to do 35 hours of CPC training every 5 years. I mean, there are some circumstances where you don't need your CPC, but in most cases, you do. This is where national compliance training comes in, where right now you can book a course for as little as £45, including all course and JAUPT fees. But wait, if you use the coupon code LukeC10, you get 10% off, knocks off £4.50, which takes it down to £40.50. £40.50 for your CPC. I haven't seen it cheaper anywhere. The courses are virtual events, which means they are done over webcam on a PC or via your phone or tablet's camera using Zoom. There are 5 different courses available at the moment, which are driver welfare, customer care and security, driver compliance, traffic law incidents and vulnerable road users, driver essentials, and HGV safe loading and health and safety. So whether you're booking for yourself as an individual like I do, or whether you're an employer who's looking to book courses for employees, if you're going to book your CPC, use NCT, National Compliance Training, and use the coupon code LukeC10. Get 10% off, £45 down to £40.50. Honestly, I've not seen it cheaper anywhere else. It's a legal requirement. We have to do it, whether we want to or not. So we might as well spend as little as we can. NCT, book your course now. Have a good day.